no matter how hard we try to live our fantasies across the seas. But I'm afraid the ship has sailed, 'cause I don't think you want me here with you, and now you want me gone. Oh, and I don't think that falling in love will happen to us, 'cause I don't want to hear you lie, my dear, and fulfill my fears of all the wasted years, 'cause I don't deserve it. You can keep your destiny and you can keep your faith. You can't rely on me, 'cause you know I'll be late, and I don't even know if I follow my beliefs. I'm trying to stay as I'm watching you leave, and I don't think that falling in love will happen to us. But I don't want to see you cry, my dear, and disappear with all my tears, 'cause I don't think you understand that I'm always here when you're not there for yourself, and someone has to bring